Today what we're going to do, we're going to review the Star Patio pizza oven for a grill. This little compact pizza oven is supposed to fit perfectly on our gas grill, so we're going to get started, open this box up and take a look at what we have here. Of course, in the box there's some instructions here and kind of gives you an idea of what this looks like. There's a few little safety instructions and different things here talking about the cleaning and the storage of it. Now what comes with this is a little pizza peel and a pizza stone. As you see how they have it packaged here, the pizza oven, the peel, and the stone are in here. Okay, once we get this out of the packaging, you can see that there's a pizza peel here, and real simple to put this together. You just twist it out, lock it in place, take the covering off of it, and so we can use that to slide the pizza into the oven once we get outside to the gas grill. Then also it comes with this pizza stone, which we will be laying the pizza on top of that to bake that in the oven. So let's get out to the gas grill. We'll get that heated up and we'll get ready and cook us a pizza. Okay, here we are out here at the barbecue grill. I've got my burners turned on already, and I just want to show you a couple things. We've got the patio pizza oven in our barbecue grill here. Now it will fit underneath your warming rack, but it's best to go ahead and take that off. And that way you don't have anything hindering your oven. And then of course you have your pizza stone inside of the oven. The pizza oven itself has a thermometer on top, so you can see as it's rising. I've got all 4 burners on of the gas grill, and so we have our peel here, and we have a red baron pizza that we're going to be cooking today, a frozen pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and get that out and get it in the package and let this get ready to heat up. I want to get it up to probably about 350 degrees. Okay, well, our gas grill is heated up to 350 degrees here, and our oven is heated up. It's between 350 and 400, which is optimal, ideal for cooking a pizza in this oven. So we'll slide this off in here. We'll go ahead and close this down, and we'll let that cook for just a few minutes, and we'll come back and check it and turn it and make sure that it's cooking evenly all the way around. Okay, well, it's been about 5 minutes, so let's go ahead and see if we can look at this pizza. And it's cooking nicely. We'll put it back in, let it cook a little bit longer. It's running right at 400 degrees inside the Star Patio outdoor pizza oven, so we'll go ahead and close the lid down and let it cook a few more minutes. Okay, well, it's been about 12 minutes, so I'm going to open this up and we're going to pull this pizza out. And this was a frozen pizza. The instructions say that you can cook this pizza for 3 to 9 minutes, and that may be true for a homemade pizza, but this being a frozen pizza, even on the box instruction says to cook it at 400 degrees for about 20 to 22 minutes. So we're about 12 minutes into it. It's cooking nice. The crust is starting to develop, and so we'll be back in just a minute after this cooks just a little bit longer and show you what it looks like. Okay, well, it's been a few more minutes, so let's take a look at our pizza here. Now, we have turned this a few times in the oven to make sure that it cooks uniformly, but you can see that the cheese and the crust is nicely. So I think this pizza is done. Like I said, this is a frozen pizza, and it's going to cook a little bit longer, take a little bit longer to cook than like a homemade pizza. So anyway, I'm going to see if we can take and cut this. And so you can see that it's cooked through and through. The crust is nice, got a nice color on the bottom of the crust. Now you can use this on other grills. You can use it on a charcoal grill or a pellet grill or whatever. And You could use wood to smoke if you wanted some kind of smoked flavor for your pizza or whatever. But anyway, we hope this has been helpful for you guys. And so that is the Star Patio outdoor pizza oven for a gas grill.